Welcome back to Budgie Plays the Dark Meadow, the Pact. Today we'll be starting a new game, because this is the first time I played it, and hopefully it's not too freaky. It is a horror game. You can buy it in the App Store for free. What do I do? Okay.
Finally, you are awake. Are you all right? I bet you don't.
Old run.
That's how it works when they bring you here. Believe me, I know.
You do?
Now there's two of us, and maybe if we help each other, we can get out of this place.
That's wonderful. Oh my gosh.
Well, don't worry, it will pass. Once we get out of here, you'll be right as rain, and this madness will end.
Right as rain.
Oh, she's coming. I can't
Who's coming?
with you. We'll talk more soon.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Open sesame. Who's that? What? This is so weird. Ugh. What is that? It's so shiny. I'm gonna call that man David. His name should be David. Wait, no, I changed my mind.
Hello? Is this on? Hello?
Is that you, Stevey?
Okay, that's better. Are you there, friend? Hope so. This intercom is our only means of communication when we're separated. I don't think they'll care if I use it. They probably think it's funny to see us running around like lab rats. Anyway, these rooms, when the sun comes in, no one ever comes into them. This is where you'll be safe.
Okay.
If you look around, you might find things that will help you. First aid kits, money. Who knows?
A wheelchair! Holy crap. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. No. Holy cow. Gold. So much gold. Alright, I'm gonna be rich. I'm rich, girls and boys. Hello. Is there anything here? Yes. Yes. Is that a window? So beautiful. I feel beautiful. And the sunlight, girls. Is there anything over here? Money! What's this? Can gain NRG. Lose weight. That's wonderful. What is in it? Alright, stop. Let's go! Friends. Open! What do I do? Don't be a dope. Say no to dope. What? That is the worst. That is the worst statement I've ever heard. Or such saying, whatever you want to call it. Don't be a dope. Free kittens to good home. Free kittens. There's nothing interesting here. I got you for a minute. Alright. There's nothing interesting here. Apparently the cafeteria used to serve tacos every Friday. Taco Friday! Taco Friday! Yes! That scared me. Is there a first aid kit? Oh. Apparently not. What? The heck? There's gold in the lamps. No, I wanted to go by the wheelchair. Well. It's a researching desk. No duh. No duh. Cause you know, the guy didn't totally even say go to the researching desk. Why you no open? Oh my gosh, you can buy stuff? Sorry, I don't know this game at all. Alright. Staircase! Examination room. What? What's this, like an old hospital? There's something over there. Hello? Hello? That noise is bothering me, I'm sorry. This way. Alright, so you see I missed the show of half an hour film on healthy eating. Oh, too bad. But you know, I just think I'll stick to my donuts. That reminds me of like a coffin almost. That right there. La 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 la. Ah! You try to hide crap from me, I'll find it. This away. Turn around like a boss. Okay, maybe not much, but whatever. Is it a cane? I want a cane. Okay. So, doesn't seem like to be anything else. Maybe let us go now. Can we go? Oh, I hate you. What are we missing? Oh, maybe to go back. Maybe there's like a key. Cause it's like, okay.
Tell you something. If you find any weapons, grab them.
Okay, I think I found one.
Isn't entirely safe, as you might have already guessed.
This is a weapon.
Okay, I have to sign off for now. Remember, the intercom doesn't work in the hallway, so if you want my help, you're going to have to investigate all these rooms.
Alright. Alright, Stevey. I love you. XOXO. Okay, so there. What? So there's gotta be like, there has to be something. Intercom. So he said there's a weapon. My new weapon. Okay, it's not. So die, bitch. Ah! Why is it dying? Die! How did I get a machete? Oh my god. How do I dodge? Oh, you don't die. Die! Yeah, you don't know that. I'm horrible. What are these things? I don't like you! Alright, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you. And subscribe.